Hi guys, welcome to Sleeve of the Month. I'm Tara.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here with our brand new Diamondback Lite Tubular Sleeve for the month of March. Mike, what can you tell me about this sleeve and why it was brought to the market?
It's an economical tubular sleeve that we were able to bring to the market because we felt a space in the market that we weren't capturing with our Diamondback line of sight sleeve.
Okay, so this sleeve kind of comes in one step below our line of sight because it does not have pinhole and burst protection.
That is correct.
Okay,
Yep.
So aside from not having that, what does this sleeve offer?
So it has the same solution dyed polyester material or yarns. So it's good for UV and it's good for abrasion protection. It's just when we did the weaving process, we designed it a little bit differently.
Okay, so it offers UV, it offers abrasion. What kind of standard applications would we see this sleeve in?
Your typical abrasion applications where you're just routing a hose through it, it's running inside of a little frame or down the edge of a frame.
Perhaps it's mobile equipment. I think we
Yep.
see a lot of, machinery, mobile equipment
Yep.
that need that
agricultural
abrasion
equipment.
protection,
Yep.
right?
Mowers. Yep.
Okay, so this is really just kind of an all-around general basic sleeve to kind of fill the void in the market that we weren't meeting.
That is correct.
Now, how can someone learn more about this product and what accessories can come with it?
So you can jump on our website at pythoncovers.com and you can find our sleeve there. We also have two Diamondback dispensers now, a plastic version and a metal version, depending on how rugged your area is going to be that you're going to be storing this. It comes in 300-foot rolls, so you can cut it off. We can also cut it to length for you if you so choose. We can print on it. So yeah, give us a call.
Okay.
Jump on our website and check us out.
Well, sounds good. Well, thank you so much, Mike.
Absolutely.
Check out this sleeve and more at pythoncovers.com.